This is Principles of Biology review with Brother Barnes, and I don't like it when I get to these slides like this where I have to just record it over and over and over to get it exactly like I want it. So I think I'm going to just record this one and see what happens and roll with it. The random sorting of alleles as demonstrated by the Punnett square is called this. You could make the case that this law occurs during meiosis and that the Punnett square just shows the possible combinations of the results of this, perhaps. Crossing an unknown pedigree with a homozygous recessive mate is called this. In most books, I have seen the homozygous recessive mate as a female dog, and then the male dog being the one tested. In this case, if the male is heterozygous, notice that the outcome of the litter would be about 50-50 mixed, black and brown, whereas if the male dog was homozygous dominant, then all of the puppies would be black in color.